Hello friends, I am Ravita Vadhva, faculty at Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Today, I'll tell you about remittances, RTGS, NEFT, and other modes of remittances used by the banks as well as by the customer. Now, remittances are funds are remitted by banks in the following manner: by demand draft and by electronic means. The electronic means can be by SWIFT, by RTGS, by NEFT. The funds are remitted by account holders in the following manner: using mobile phones. One by one, we will understand what are the different types of remittances which can be used by the bank as well as by the account holder. Remittances by banks. Demand draft, which is also called banker's draft or pay order. I have put in an image of the demand draft, how it looks like. It is a payment order which is issued by one branch of a bank upon another branch. It looks like a check. It is always drawn payable on order. It is subject to Negotiable Instrument Act. It is drawn by one branch of a bank on another branch of the same bank. It is, or it can be drawn on a specific branch of another specific bank with which the drawer bank has draft drawing arrangements. Usually it is drawn within the same bank. There are three parties to a bank draft: drawer bank, drawee bank, and beneficiary. Demand draft is issued for a specific amount, instructing the drawee branch to pay the specified sum of money to the specified person. The specified person is the beneficiary. The demand draft is valid for 3 months. RBI recently decided that the name of the purchaser, that is, the person who has paid for the demand draft, be incorporated on the face of the demand draft or banker's draft or pay order. You can see image of the demand draft wherein the first line shows pay, wherein name of the beneficiary is written, then rupees come in amount, in words as well as in figures. There is signature of the bank officer who issues the account, date is there, and it is always issued on order. Another method of remittances by banks is electronic funds transfer. In this, electronic funds means no paper is used. The first type is SWIFT, which the full form of SWIFT is the Society of Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. This is an international fund transfer between member banks worldwide. It is used between India, European countries, US, and for cross-border transactions. This uses structured messages. The fund transfer is fast, secure, and efficient. Another type of electronic funds transfer is RTGS, real-time gross settlement. This is the most famous of the electronic funds transfers available. It is an interbank funds transfer. Interbank means between different banks. If amount is to be transferred, RTGS is used. RTGS full form is real-time gross settlement. The word itself indicates that it is on real-time basis. It means the moment money is transferred from one account to another, it is done immediately. It is on gross basis. Suppose we have two banks, Bank A and Bank B. Bank A wants to send money rupees 3 lakhs to Bank B. Simultaneously, a customer of Bank B wants to remit rupees 4 lakh to customer of Bank A. Then these amounts will be transferred as and the way it is received from the customer, and no netting will be done. It is the fastest possible money transfer system available in India as of now. The minimum amount of transaction which can be undertaken using RTGS is rupees 2 lakhs. It requires information to be submitted by the customer to his or her bank, the amount which is to be remitted, account number of the remitter means the account which is to be debited, name of beneficiary bank, name of beneficiary customer, account number of beneficiary customer, sender to receiver information which is used as narration, and IFSC of receiving branch. Another form of electronic funds transfer is NEFT, which is called National Electronic Funds Transfer. This is most suitable for small value transactions. However, there is no limit, either minimum or maximum, on the amounts of funds that can be transferred using NEFT. The operations are similar to RTGS. Under this scheme, individuals, firms, and corporates can electronically transfer funds from any bank branch to any individual, firm, or corporate having an account with any other bank branch in the country participating in the scheme. The settlement between banks is in batches at pre-decided timings on half-hourly basis. For remittance, details of the beneficiary like name of the beneficiary, name of bank branch where beneficiary has an account, IFSC of the beneficiary bank branch, account type and account number are required along with amount which is to be remitted. The customer can approach bank or can use internet banking services to use NEFT. NEFT can be used by the bank as well as by the customer at home using internet banking services. Another form of remittances which can be undertaken by the customer through mobile banking and internet banking is IMPS, Immediate Payment System. This was launched by NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, on 22nd November 2010. This is an instant 24/7 service. Interbank electronic fund transfer can happen through this. This can be done through mobile phone, which can be a basic phone or a smartphone, and through internet banking facility. There are four stakeholders, means four participants in this type of remittance: remitter, beneficiary, banks, and National Fund Switch, that is NPCI. IMPS is an immediate fund transfer service after initiating the payment request. The transactions can be sent and received 24/7 round the clock, including holidays. This is the most important feature of IMPS, Immediate Payment System. The process is: remitter registers for mobile banking with his bank. He gets MMID, which is Mobile Money Identifier, and MPIN, Mobile Banking PIN. MMID is a 7-digit number of which the first 4 digits are the unique identification number of the bank offering IMPS. Beneficiary is also to register his mobile number with the bank and get MMID. So, we are seeing mobile number is an important feature in IMPS. Remittance can be initiated by sending SMS to bank by the remitter. For internet, if you want to use IMPS or through bank branch channels, mobile registration is not required. Remitter requires, for sending money, MMID, mobile number. The second way is account number and IFSC or Aadhaar number of the receiver. These are the three options which are available to the sender for sending money to the receiver: MMID, mobile number of the receiver; account number, IFSC of the receiver; and Aadhaar number of the receiver. Through, if any of the three is available, money can be sent using this payment system. Combination of mobile number and MMID is uniquely linked with an account number and helps in identifying the beneficiary details. Now, remittance through mobile banking. National Unified USSD Platform, the small form is NUUP. It can be used on GSM network of any mobile phone. No application required to be downloaded on mobile phone, and it can be used by dialing *99#, a common number which is across all telecom service providers. This is through mobile banking. The services which are available under NUUP are: it can be used to send money. Using this option, customer can send money to any customer. Receive money. Customer can collect money by entering UPI ID or mobile number of a UPI registered customer. He can check balance. He can use My Profile option and perform transactions such as knowing his or her UPI details, changing language, managing UPI IDs and the beneficiaries. Pending transaction. Using this option, customer can check pending UPI request. Transaction. Using this option, customer can know about the last 5 transactions performed on UPI, and he can also change his PIN. These are the features of NUUP. Now we have certain questions through which I'll try to make you understand what are the features and what are the services one can use of in this NUUP. Does the customer need to register his or her mobile number to avail this service? Yes. Customer should have a mobile number with his or her bank system for using *99#. Whether this service is available both on GSM and CDMA handsets, the service works across all GSM service providers and handsets. This service is currently not available for CDMA phones. Does the customer need internet application to use this service? No, user just need to dial *99# from any GSM phone. Sometimes customer asks, I do not have a smartphone but old simple phone. Can I still use this service? Your answer will be yes. This service can be availed on any type of phone. Can a customer see use *99# in his or her own language? Yes, this service is currently available in Hindi and English and in all major 13 languages. One can select a default language on the first time registration, or it can also be changed from the option provided in the menu screen. Another form, does a customer need to register a mobile phone? Yes, he has to register a mobile phone. Now, remittances through mobile banking and internet banking. Aadhaar enabled payment system. This can be used for online interoperable financial inclusion transactions. It can be used at POS or kiosk banking through business correspondent of any bank using Aadhaar authentication. This requires two inputs: IIN, which is identifying the bank to which customer is associated, and Aadhaar number. Please remember this is Aadhaar enabled payment system. What are the services which are available under Aadhaar enabled payment system? Under AEPS currently following services are present. Balance inquiry of an account can be done. Aadhaar to Aadhaar fund transfer can be done. Cash withdrawal, cash deposit, best finger detection is here. The above services are available in both interbank and intra-bank modes. Remittances through mobile banking and internet banking also includes APBS, Aadhaar Payments Bridge Systems. This enables transfer of payments from government institutions to Aadhaar-enabled accounts of beneficiaries at banks and post offices. Please see Aadhaar number is the very famous feature of this payment. Remitter prepares file. Remitter is the bank containing amount to be remitted and Aadhaar number of the beneficiary. This file is then given to the bank for processing. Remitter is notified by the bank. and then this is used to transfer benefits and subsidies to Aadhaar enabled bank account. One more method of remittances based on Aadhaar is Aadhaar Payments Bridge Systems (APBS). What are the benefits of Aadhaar Payment Bridge System? It eliminates inordinate delays, multiple channels, and paperwork involved in the existing system, transfers benefits and subsidies in a seamless and timely manner, and directly into the Aadhaar-enabled bank account. In case of change in bank account, customer is not required to convey the bank account details or change in bank details to the government department or agency. Customer is not required to open multiple bank accounts for receiving benefits and subsidies of various social welfare schemes. Customer just needs to open one account, seed his Aadhaar number in the bank account to start receiving benefits and directly subsidies directly into his or her Aadhaar enabled bank account. So friends, we have seen what are the different types of remittances which are available to the bank as well as the customer. The customer can avail services like NEFT, internet banking, mobile banking, sitting at home, using mobile phone and internet banking. This was all in the remittances offered by the banks to its customers, and here we end the session. Thank you.